Hello everyone, my name is Noopur Saraswat and I, on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers on this most successful and innovative idea ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education initiative. Through these ideas, we are trying to make our learning process more active and more interesting. And today, on this very platform, the idea which I am going to represent is naming method. For this idea, I am going to cover class 4, chapter number 11, Sunil learns a lesson. My subject is English and this is from UP board. The time duration of this idea is 20 minutes. The innovation behind this idea is to bring the ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. This idea helps in building inner connection among the concept being taught by replacing actual name with allotted name. For doing this, educator need to choose individual name for each students of the class. The name chosen by the educator should have scope for value addition. Now, assign these names to the students. After 2 or 3 days, add value to the name by defining it further. For example, for describing words, name students as student 1 chair, student 2 table, student 3 eraser, student 4 pencil, and so on. After day or two, the student will add describing word to it. So, student will be now a blue chair, or student 2 will now a study table. Student 3 will be now a long pencil, and so on. The educator need to know the following arrangements for the classroom: a blank chart and a sellotape. But before implementing this idea, make sure that the educator is already completed the building and the explanation part of the lesson. This idea is for revision purpose. Now let's see how we can implement this idea on this very chapter. First of all, name the student by specific words and other student will call them by addressing the given name to them. Assign the name or word related to the chapter on a chart and describe them among the students. Ask the students to attach it on their shirt so that it is visible to other students also. Continue the process by addressing these students by their allotted names for few days. For example, student 1 name is now give. Student 2 name is now eat. 3 walk. Student 4 careless. Student 5 peel. Student 6 banana, and so on. Conclude the process of naming by adding new information along with the previous names. For this chapter, the place of origin has been added. Student can add form of words in front of allotted names by educator or describing the word meaning or describing the first or the second form of the word. For example, student 1 give. He can add it the word give. Student 2 eat. Now ate. Student 3 walk. Student 3 can add the word walked. Student 4 careless. He added the word meaning of careless. Laparwa. Student 5 peel. He added the word meaning of peel. Chilka. And so on. This will lead to revision of concept. Through this innovative idea implementation, the learning outcome which we can achieve are like the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in the context. Respond vocabulary in English to questions based on our daily day-to-day life experience. They can also start reading the story and they can easily recite a poem in English. The meaning of unfamiliar words from the reading and from the textbook, now they can easily understand. Also, educator can encourage the student to find out more such meanings to these unfamiliar words. Students are also eager to find out the words from the dictionary. This idea helps in relating the concept with the immediate surrounding and a daily day-to-day usage. This activity ensures active participation of students inside the classroom, which is the key aspect of the peer learning approach. The value added ideas for this life skills are critical thinking and a very effective communication skill. The values that can be touched upon the equality, believing everyone deserves the equal chance and equal rights, and to be treated with respect and fairness. I really hope you like this idea and want to implement this idea in your classroom. If you want these videos